That's why I wrote that article about the danger of bottom up thing.
Right.
So I think that's when the management starts. Okay, so what do we imagine the automated future? I mean, this is what the capability of the tooling and what are the so it's easy to say, okay, by introduction of this tool, this can be eliminated, or this kind of job can be eliminated. But it'd be harder to say, okay, so kind of reverse engineer. So having this piece of software, it fills the current. Let's go back to the job to be done, right? It can further current request, but the original job to be done. Do we actually already cover all aspect of it, or is there a bigger perspective of job to be done that we can cover? I think fundamentally, maybe she look at from that perspective, then trickle down, rather than this is what we have, and we can do this with less people. Because if you go like from the cost perspective, right, it'd be quite difficult to envision the total possibilities.
Right. I think there are two things here. First of all, like we can do it with less people or we can do it with no people. So of course, I absolutely agree. And it looks like I'm gonna play a devil's advocate role
Please,
tonight. So
Well, that's why we want to have a glass of wine so you can just go, whew, wow.
so first of all, like if AI is innate, like a copilot to a software developer,
Yeah.
or like some sort of a tooling for accountant, whatever. Yeah, your stuff is still there doing the work quite more efficiently, and most likely you don't fire anyone, just have some better capacities to growth or reallocate several individuals. The thing is, what actually bothers me is that AI transformation makes sense when you do not replace 2, 3, or 20 employees, but hundreds or thousands, because otherwise the cost of implementation can be incomparable. And then when you talking about lifting the job of thousands, you even possibly cannot reallocate thousands. You will definitely have to let someone go.